Okay, so I'm going to go into some of the problems in the review, especially the ones that were most missed and some other ones that I think we need help with. So I'm going to go ahead and start with number one. And the question is, what are the solutions to 3 and then x minus 4 squared is equal to 192? So with a question like this, I guess we never really went over much of this, but if you solve it we're going to go ahead and solve this like a regular equation. So the first thing we would want to do is that we want to divide both sides by 3. So we want to cancel out that 3 to leave that x minus 4 squared by itself. So we're going to go ahead and do 192 divided by 3, which in this case would be 64. So x minus 4 squared is equal to 64. So now that we have that, what we want to do is that we want to cancel out the squared. And to do that, we're going to take the square root of both sides. So x minus 4, that cancels out the square. And then we're going to take the square root of 64. The square root of 64 is 8. But here's the trick. It's going to be plus or minus 8. And the reason why is because when we take the square root of something, it could either be a positive 8, meaning 8 times 8 equals 64, or a negative 8, where negative 8 times negative 8 also equals 64. So what we do now is we add 4 to both sides. And now we have x equals 4 plus or minus 8. So that gives us two solutions, which are 4 plus 8 and 4 minus 8. 4 plus 8, which is 12, and 4 minus 8, which is negative 4. So our answer should be B.